The state government's move to relocate the hawkers to Veronica Lane in Lightmkra has been met with opposition. Residents and stakeholders of educational institutes in the vicinity of Veronica Lane have opposed it, prompting Cabinet Minister Ampreen Lingdaw to say that the government will not go ahead with this move if people do not want it. At the same time, however, she reminded that the decision to move the hawkers was taken after due consultations with all stakeholders.
Collaboration with the Darbar, in collaboration with the DC, the vendors committees, we have thought of this plan to relocate and free the pedestrian way from Police Point to Beach House in this location. We have sat with all line departments, we have engaged actively with the Darbar. But if the people who live all along Veronica Lane do not want it to happen, I have nothing to say.
Over to sports in football.